another vlog. We are gonna do our usual chit chat. You're not new here, you know the drill. When we're in this room, we're unwinding, we're getting ready for something, we're chit chatting, having girl time in here. If you know, you know. So basically that brings me to my point. I'm just gonna put this up for a sec. I am going to the gym. I should probably take this off. I'm wearing a long shirt because I'm not feeling confident. I literally just ate a whole rice bowl from Subway because that's what was in the area and I was so hungry and I didn't want to wait till I was home. But let me tell you something. Someone tell me if I'm wrong, because I'm pretty sure, we're all on the same page here. Pretty sure what? What? I'm pretty sure I actually don't like Subway because every time I eat it after, all I'm getting right now is onions. And I cannot. And you could brush your teeth, you could do whatever you want. Girl, you ate the onions. It's here, it's still living, it's breathing, it's disgusting. So maybe I don't love Subway because every time I always regret it. I'm always like, why the fuck did I do that? Now that I have so much time on my hands with this day off, I was thinking of going to, I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I've had every intention to discuss that I am trying to go through a whole like revamp in my second room here. So I took down that painting off that wall. If you know, you know. We just put up a TV. It was our old TV in our bedroom. Put it up here so when people sleep over, because we have guests, and this bed, our day bed here, it pulls out into a king bed, which is actually huge. So when they're laying down, you know, I don't know, when I'm at someone's house, especially me and my friends, like we literally just chill and do nothing at my house, which that's how you know like you're comfortable with your friends and you don't have to be doing something all the time. And I love that we can literally just chill and talk and laugh and do nothing. And last time they slept over, they literally went to, like, we all went to bed early. We were so freaking exhausted. And I don't know, I think it's nice to have like a TV in the room to just like unwind, watch, chill, hang out. I don't know, do your own thing if that's what you're in the mood for. I mean, I don't give a fuck. If I was at someone's house, I would definitely crank that TV before I fell asleep, but that's just me. So yeah, we've done that in here, but now the intentions in this room initially when we moved in 3 years ago was where I work, which you might be wondering, why is everything else in this room all white and cute and whatever, and then this side's all black? What's going on there? I know. It really bothers me. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, ugh, I wish there was a white desk there, or at least like something better than that. I wish the chair was different. I wish the extender I bought matched the desk that I wish was there. And the painting that I used to have on that wall, which you guys know, I'll show you guys, that is very gamer. That's what I had intentions for this room. That it was supposed to be gamer central, chill vibes, not so serious, fun, neon. I was gonna do neon lights all around the room, like, you know, the lights, which could still be cute. I'm not saying that's not a vibe. It's just not, Mike doesn't come in here anymore. It's literally a girl's room. And when my friends come over and we get ready or we're just chatting or whatever, this is the room. When I film, this is the room. So I have a different vision now. I also got into this funk where now I'm gonna like redo my whole bathroom organization. A lot of my drawers actually, because we have a really big apartment. Like our apartment's actually bigger than, like, I don't know, everyone's apartment I ever known. And for the price we pay, like, it is a big apartment. However, there was things that our landlords didn't really add, or maybe they just didn't think about in the time that they built it, which includes, you know, like a linen closet would be nice. I don't have one of those. So now where I have extra space, where my mirror is, where you guys see me always change my outfits and show you guys in the camera, that should have actually, like, I should have utilized that better. Which is still stupid because this is my thought process. Why do I have to buy something just because they didn't provide it or they didn't build it in the wall? Now I have to buy a whole ass cabinet that when I move, I might never use that again. Like, that's my thought process behind it. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. We have to get over that. Like, if that's what I have to buy, that's what I have to buy. I have to sell it on Marketplace when I move because it doesn't go in my next house. That's fine. Like, you can't always think so far ahead, and that's what I'm trying to just digest and be okay with. Like, I struggle with really bad anxiety and I do have depression in increments. Like, I'm not always depressed, but I think that's everyone. Like, I go through depressive states, and when I'm overwhelmed with my space or things are not organized, I I could just crash. Like I will not do anything. And I've noticed, especially for this, like for this room, that's one prime example. Like when I'm so overwhelmed, I literally just stop. I don't do anything. I'll literally just leave it. And then I wait and I wait and I wait until like I'm in a dark zone and I want to do so many things and I just can't because I let it get to a certain point, if that makes sense. Anyway, mental health is real. That's all I'm gonna say. Moral story, mental health is real. So with all of this being said, literally I went on a tangent. I'm so sorry for that. I told you my ADHD is heavily hitting these days. I don't know why. You guys know I absolutely love this stuff. The men's section came through with this because it really does work. You just need a coarse brush or whatever you want to call it. Hard brush? I don't know what they're called. But the bristles are just like really intense. I'm going to show you guys all of my organizers. I got these all at Dollarama. Got myself another pan. Anyways, don't ask questions. Okay, these I wish were bigger because I'm going to try and utilize these under my sink and stuff. And they're stackable and they fit perfectly. So I like that a lot. It's too bad. They'll probably come out with bigger sizes when I don't need them, which of course is usually the case and really rude. And then I got a nice little ice cube tray because I'm weird, and tweezers because I keep losing mine. It's ridiculous. And then I got these for, I was thinking like to put my powders and stuff in here. I got 2 sets of those. Then I got these, which are a little bit longer. I'm thinking like lip liners that are really long. I don't know yet. We'll see. And I got 2 of these plastic storage things. I don't know what I'm using them for yet. This one striked my eye because I have one exactly like this. And I was thinking, I always buy those, like the black applicator I used under my eye. I buy them in packs, so I like to put them somewhere. And then I could put the one that I'm currently using with the one that my beauty blender I'm currently using, and then my other beauty blenders in there. Hopefully that makes sense. It made sense to me and I'm here for it. I just finished taking off all of these stickers on these organizers that I was telling you guys about. And as I was doing it, I was just like, you know what? I don't know if people actually know. There's a method to the madness, and all these stupid stickers, I hate that they put them on. The trick is, especially on plastic, you just have to remove it exceptionally slow. And it's very time consuming, but when you pull slowly, it won't get all that sticker residue left on it. It works every time. No marks, no nothing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I did to the bathroom. I couldn't really film in here. I don't know if you've ever really seen, but our bathroom is exceptionally small. So I have, like, when you walk in here, let me show you. When you walk in, our shower's right here. It is the tiniest shower you ever did see. And then we have our towel rack that came with the apartment. I can't really take it down. It's like in the house. And I bought this cabinet originally because I guess we've collected a bunch of things over the years so far. And so when you open it, I ended up adding our towels in here because our towels were in my second bedroom. And not that there's anything wrong with that. I just feel like we don't have a linen closet, and I just feel like it's nice to have your towels in the bathroom. So I did that, and this is all like my back stock. It's still not completely organized, but I do need to get rid of some more stuff, but they're full bottles. Just some of the stuff I don't use. I either got it as a gift or I bought too much of it. So I'm gonna ask my cousin to take a bunch of this stuff home. And then we have under the sink storage, but it's just not the same. The shelving's not the same. It used to be really cluttered under here. And I just kind of have extra toothbrushes, extra toothpaste, my tampons. I got these at Dollarama, I showed you guys. And then this is like bug spray, sunscreen. These are like travel hair containers and aloe and stuff like that. These are for vacation, that's why I have them in here. They're just like those phone cases. Some extra tampons. And then Michael's bin is a little more full. That's down there. And then when I first moved in, I added this cabinet above the toilet, which I love. I think it's so cute. We're on the way to IKEA. I'm using my phone to film, so if the quality shit, I'm sorry. But your girl forgot her camera. Every time I'm at IKEA, I have to like literally make a list because I usually go with Michael, especially because sometimes I want things that are heavy. So obviously you have to bring your man for that. But sometimes I just want to look around. I don't want to have a list. I just want to like be nosy and be on my ones. So that's what I'm going to do. Just to give you guys a little rundown I got this at HomeSense the other day. And then I got these from IKEA. They're just little candle holders, which I'm gonna put here on top. I'm gonna put the candles and this maybe on top of some fake aesthetic books type of vibe. And then from IKEA as well, these are just like little candle thingamabobs that will fit hopefully perfectly. I'm gonna move this over there for now. Actually really wide. I didn't quite realize that, so maybe this can't go on a fake book unless the books are like really large and in charge. Over here on that side, I actually bought two different fake plants, so you guys tell me which one you like better. Like that. Okay, visualize it, think about it. This can go like this too on top of some fake books. It doesn't really matter, does it? This one, which is more like olive tree vibe.
I think I like that one better.
This is what we're working with.
No.
That
what a mess, Peach. Like,
is god awful. I put this here. I think I don't know if I showed you guys already, but this I'm gonna frame. Got it at IKEA. Didn't film in IKEA. My hands are full. Sorry about that. Got that at IKEA. Okay, so the top is still looking hella, you know, messy, but that's besides the point because we made so much progress. This is my face little spot here, like primers, sorry, not primers, serums and moisturizers and eye cream, and this is all hand and lip. And then we have some of my little hair ties, and then in here, I don't know why this is in there, but these are just some random stuff and clips and tape measure, I guess. I don't know. This has all of my skin prep. I mean, I guess that's still considered skin prep. That's like serums and creams, and then this would be more like, I guess it's more creams. I don't really think about that. Good to know. We'll probably do some rearranging, honestly. Concealer. And then I got this one specifically because this one is long for all of my iPads that are still fresh and clean. And then I have, this is my used sponge, like the one I'm currently using, and my current used iPad, whatever you call this thing. You guys know what I mean. And this is like unused, like fresh beauty blender, some tools that I use, my tweezers, lash glue. This might as well go in there. This is mascaras and brow all together. I just feel like it fit the best. And then this is primers. And then this one we have my palettes. I kind of tried to stack them in like a little organizer. This is just extra brushes and that I don't really use, and a setting spray. Wow, what am I doing? These are just some powders and compacts that are just thicker and bigger. is the revamp. This says be the energy you want to attract. I love that there. I don't know if I love where I put the other two things. This, I pulled it from my living room. I had this already. I think a hanging plant looks cute there. And then I got this at IKEA. It's just a, you know, what do you call that? An hourglass. Thought it was cute. It's a little neutral, but it does fit the vibe in here. I got the throw from IKEA. I don't like that it doesn't fit the entire bed, so I might be finding another one, but like slowly. I don't want to rush the process. These two cushions, the ones with the stripes down the middle, I don't love that they're like a peachy tone. I thought they were more neutral. I got them off of Temu, so also switch those out with time, but they were free anyways. And then these I got from IKEA as well. And then my favorite part is this project that Michael and I did the other night. I finally got those frames from IKEA and I put them up in our hallway, which is so cute. They're just like candid, mostly candid photos of us. That's what I love, like of us laughing, which I love that photo. That was in Alberta. This was my sister's birthday. Alberta, the mountains. Us walking to the beach, which is so cute, so candid. I love this wall. It only took us like 2 hours to do, but yeah, you get the gist. And then over here, the front hall, I think I already showed you guys this, but basically that's the front vibe. It's more moody in here, and I kind of like that. I like that moody, but like modern. Thank you guys for watching. That is the tea. That is all. Ciao for now, everybody.